Good afternoon. We're going to continue our lesson on insects. Today we're going to talk about the life cycle of insects. That life cycle is known as metamorphosis. In this lesson, our focus is going to be on the growth and development of insects as well as the reproduction of insects. Metamorphosis is known as the complete change in shape and appearance of an insect at each stage of its life cycle. There are two types of metamorphosis. You have complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. Complete metamorphosis has 4 stages. Those stages include the egg stage, the larva stage, the pupa stage, and finally the adult stage. Now in incomplete metamorphosis, there are only 3 stages: the egg stage, the nymph stage, and ultimately the adult stage. We're going to take a look at the life cycle of a fly as well as the life cycle of a butterfly. You'll see that for both insects, they still have 4 stages: the egg stage, the larva stage, the pupa stage, and ultimately the adult stage. So first let's take a look at insect eggs. We're going to again compare the butterfly eggs and the fly eggs. So here you can see that the butterfly on the left lays its eggs on a host, and on the right, the fly also lays its eggs on a host. Now the butterfly usually lays its eggs on a leaf, whereas the fly, it will usually lay its eggs on some type of, usually a dead animal. The next stage of the insect's life cycle is the larva stage. And larva is usually a worm-like, it has a worm-like appearance. For the butterfly larva, it's a caterpillar. And for fly larvae, they're maggots. The next stage of the life cycle of an insect is the pupa stage, and that's usually in the form of a cocoon. Now for the butterfly pupa is known as the chrysalis. And then finally, the last stage in the life cycle of an insect is the adult stage. Adult females reproduce by laying eggs, and the process of metamorphosis starts all over again.